Good morning and welcome to another video for mindful eating, healthy eating for the mind and body. I hope everyone is having a good morning so far. Today I'll be making a coconut and lemon smoothie. It should be lime, but I don't have any lime. So today what we're going to do, we are going to open a tin of the coconut milk here. I showed this in the grocery haul video that I had uploaded. So this is the coconut milk, and we are going to open it like so. I'm just going to open it quickly, and this is going to be added with some of the lemon juice, and I'm going to add oats. It should be chia seeds, but I don't have chia seeds, but you can use oats, or even a protein powder if you're able to get hold of a protein powder as well. And this is the coconut milk here. We are going to add this in here like so. It's quite a lot of it. And then we're going to add the oats as well. Let's do this. Oats. From the bag, just taking it through. The oats mixture should basically bulk it out. So in here we have 1 tin of coconut milk, maybe about, I'd say maybe 1 cup or so of the oats. And these porridge oats are whole grain porridge oats. Obviously, if you are gluten intolerant, you get gluten free, and use that. And then we are going to add a little bit of vanilla essence. And we're going to add a tiny bit of honey. As the weather is much colder, it may take a bit more time to come up from the bottle, but we're just going to add some honey, and you add it to your taste. You can use sugar as well, but I prefer to use honey. And then we are going to add the desiccated coconut, and then we will blend. What I'm going to do, I'll show you the rest of the procedure in a few minutes. So now, welcome back to the video again. So now, as you can see, we have in here some lemon juice and the desiccated coconut. So what we're going to do now, we are going to blitz this down, and then we are going to pour it into the glass. Now you can add more, like I said, more vanilla essence, more stuff in there. And that is your smoothie. The consistency looks very fine. And then we are going to basically pour it into the glass like this. And there we have it. Our coconut and lemon smoothie. Obviously I did not use any lime. We've used the lemon instead. So this is it. This is good to have in the morning, a quick pick-up drink. I hope this video will be interesting for someone today. Please continue to watch Mindful Eating, healthy eating for the mind and body. I just want to thank everyone for taking the time to continue to, to support the channel by subscribing. Please continue to like and subscribe. Another video will be posted very, very soon. And stay tuned for more videos from Mindful Eating. And thank you again for watching, and have a good day.